Alright guys, welcome back to this learning module. Now that we have learned how to extract a specific portion of data within a specific column, now let's talk about how can we leverage the statistical toolbar in our Power BI report. Now the Power Query's statistical function allows us to perform various analytical tasks within the data transformation process. We can calculate the descriptive statistics such as the summation of a certain value, the minimum, maximum, median, average, so on and so forth, right? These statistical functions helps us to validate the integrity or the quality of our data. We can easily specify outliers within our data using these statistical measures. These validations ensure that our data is reliable and accurate, leading to a more trustworthy analysis and reporting. So yeah, that's all about the topic for today. Thanks for watching this video, and I can't wait to see you in the demo session. Thanks and bye bye.